हेलो व्यूवर्स, कैसे हो आप सब। तो आज की इस वीडियो में आप अगेन जीके के क्वेश्चंस स्टडी करेंगे। आज जीके के क्वेश्चंस होंगे बर्ड से रिलेटेड। तो आप सोचते होंगे डेली जीके के क्वेश्चन, तो आज के कॉम्पिटिटिव एनवायरनमेंट में जनरल नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एग्ज़ाम क्रैक करने के लिए जीके नॉलेज ज़रूरी है। तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप अगर आप मेरी वीडियोज़ के क्वेश्चन को स्टडी करेंगे तो आपकी जीके नॉलेज काफ़ी इम्प्रूव होगी। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चंस।
Question number 1. The largest bird in the world is? Which is the largest bird in the world? Ostrich. The answer is ostrich. Ostrich जो है वो दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा पक्षी है. Second, which body part birds do not have? Birds के पास बॉडी का कौन सा पार्ट नहीं होता? Answer is teeth. Question number 3. Which bird flies longest distance in its lifetime? And the answer is Arctic tern. Next question. Question number 4. Which is the smallest bird in the world? And the answer is bee hummingbird. इसको हम हिंदी में गुंजन पक्षी बोलते हैं. Question number 5. Which is the fastest swimming bird? Fastest swimming bird. And the answer is penguin. एक चिड़िया. Question number 6. Which bird can see at night? See at night. And the answer is owl. Owl can see at night. Question number 7. Which bird has the longest eyesight? Longest eyesight. And the answer is eagle. Garud. Question number 8. When was World Migratory Birds Day celebrated? And the answer is 10 October. Question number 9. Which bird can eat only when its head is upside down? And the answer is Flamingo, Rajhans. Question number 10. Which bird makes the loudest sound? And the answer is white bellbird. Next, question number 11. How many species of birds are there in the world as of 2020? And the answer is more than 10,000. Question number 12. Which bird is China's national bird? The answer is the red-crowned crane. Next question. Question number 13. Which flightless bird is also the tallest bird in South Africa? And the answer is the greater rhea. Question number 14. Which country has the flamingo as its national bird? And the answer is the Bahamas. Question number 15. What is the fastest bird in the world? And the answer is peregrine falcon.
सो व्यूवर्स, ये थे कुछ जीके के क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग बर्ड्स. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.